We're rolling. These are my new Jordans actually. The reef walk. Coming to a fashion runway near you.
Hey, there's water in it.
I actually snapped the head off the bolt.
Merewether workout 101.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
And then you're done for the whole
job
year.
done. Darling,
Hello.
what are you getting ready for?
Oh, I'm getting ready to explore this beautiful, beautiful atoll.
Where are we?
We are in Raroia. I apologize if I pronounced that wrong. It is just stunning. This morning I've been working on a video for you guys, so we have not yet explored it. We woke up this morning happy and excited at 6 AM. I did some yoga, editing, Kieran made some food, and now Ralph is in the water and we're gonna explore!
Little something.
Did I forget?
Yeah, a little
something?
something here. I got you. Yeah, so after our 3-day sail, so we did that in 3 days, feeling a little bit tired today, but very, very excited to go explore this beautiful paradise. The only thing I can compare it to right now is something like the Sandblast Islands of Panama, or maybe like Tobago Cays of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. It's looking stunning. And the best part about it is there's no people around. We don't experience very often. Well, there's us.
And 2 dogs.
And they're not people, baby.
No.
We've spotted 2 wild dogs that are playing in the shallows. So we're not sure if they have owners or maybe they're just here to
Jill.
take care of the rat problem if there is one, I'm not sure.
So our friend said that there is a pool, a natural pool in there, which I am definitely gonna swim in. So looking forward to that.
Just you.
Well, you get hold of the camera.
I see how it is. I see how it is. Yeah, what am I here for? Hold the camera.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk, then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one?
It's chilly?
It's just a tiny bit chilly, but
No, it's fine. Oh, it's a lot of corals. A lot, hey? Oh my gosh.
I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, and just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is in no way funny.
a little bit rough on the feet.
A little bit. Corals everywhere.
Not too bad on the eyes, but
It's incredible. Collect the plastic. That's
pots
great.
and pans, rubbish.
Put on your shoes.
Oh, look at this. Picked these up at, you know, Nike.
Nike, hey?
Yeah, these are my new Jordans actually. You like them?
Ooh. Ooh, yes.
So darling, who's bringing shoes to the beach next time?
We are.
Not used to these very sharp corals.
Hey, there's water in it.
What do you got?
Look at that. So beautiful.
It's huge, baby.
You listen to the ocean. My great grandfather had one.
As young Isabel comes off the beach, she does the reef walk. As you can see, the swaying of the arms balances her. Oh wow. No, give me the reef walk, baby. I want your best reef walk. Hey! The reef walk. Coming to a fashion runway near you.
I did not ask you for that.
Too slow, darling. I'll just carry you a sip along. Tell me, baby. What do we rate this spot?
I think 11 out of 10.
11.
Yeah.
Big call.
Yeah. Or maybe 10 right now. I want a little patch of sand where we can just sit. It's a bit too windy right now.
And then you get the 11.
Yes.
Okay. What have you done here, baby?
Well, this is me, this is you.
Oh, I like both of us.
They're coming off.
Okay. Oh, hours of hard work just ruined. Good morning, baby.
Good morning.
What do we got here for breakfast?
Pamplemousse.
Ooh, fresh pamplemousse from Nukuhiva. And you're making porridge, yes?
Yes.
What's in your porridge?
Oats and chia seeds.
Lovely, lovely. Okay, for the first job of the morning, we are fixing our hydrovane. I'll just explain to you how it broke. over our 445 nautical mile sail from Nukuhiva to here in Raroia. We were sailing with two other vessels, both you can see behind me. They were sailing quite fast and they were sailing to a destination the same as us, but they were sailing on the autopilot. I tried to use a hydrovane, but because the wind was coming from all different angles throughout our trip, sometimes it was 90 degrees, sometimes it was 60 degrees to the wind. So we were doing these turns from left to right, and we were kind of losing ground on these guys behind us. So I really wanted to stick to the course. We were in a rush to make slack tide here at this atoll. If we didn't make slack tide, we would have had to abandon the idea of trying to go into the atoll. So we were in a rush. So I used the autopilot throughout our sail. So I actually fixed the hydrovane's rudder straight. I now think that this is the wrong thing to do. I will get in contact with Hydrovane when I get some internet and maybe we can discuss what I did wrong. But I don't think I was meant to lock the rudder straight. The rudder was still in the water. I still wanted the option to use it, but I didn't want to use it. I wanted to use the autopilot. So because I locked it straight, I believe that I put so much pressure on these bolts that I actually snapped the head off the bolt. And I'm quite happy that I did. It's kind of weird, but I much prefer that the bolt snap than the hydrovane break, or worse, even worse, the hydrovane breaks the boat in some way, the gel coat cracks or something like that. So we don't want that. So I'm quite happy that the bolt broke, and I think I have a spare that is very similar size. So today I'm going to try and fix it. Right now, actually. Okay, so this is the hydrovane. It's connected by 3 pads to the boat. One H bracket and an A bracket with 2 pads on it. So the bolt that broke is this H bracket here has one bolt over here, and you can see one missing right here. So this bolt used to sit in here, and it basically connected the H-bracket to the boat. I'm not sure if you can see, but also the hydrovane is completely off center. It should be basically dead center. So I believe when I've locked the rudder, it's actually turned the whole hydrovane off center. So today we're going to loosen off this part here and this part here, and we're going to try and rotate the hydrovane back to center so we can travel in a straight line, and then I will be putting in a new one of these and hopefully it will fit perfectly. Okay, we're rolling.
She's rolling.
I was waiting for that.
You're waiting for that? Am I that predictable?
Okay, I'm going to loosen off the bottom one.
Yeah.
Okay, so had to go a bit further into it than I would have liked, but we've now taken the head unit off, the shaft out, and I think we'll be able to put in the bolt quite easily now. Tighten up the bolt on the H bracket, and then we're going to reassemble everything and put it back together. But it's good practice, especially on anchor, because last time we did in a marina. So no, it's all good, baby.
Woo!
Having fun?
So much fun.
What have we done so far, baby?
We put the screw in and 5 washes and the bolt.
Yeah.
And we've been tightening and tightening and tightening.
Yep.
And now it's in, and it's looks beautiful.
So as my young assistant has just said, we've now put this bolt in and we've tightened it down, and it's very solid again. Now it's really just about reassembling the hydrovane, putting the shaft through the A bracket and then eventually through the H bracket, tightening it up and putting the drive unit back on.
What do we think?
Oh, very, very happy.
Yeah?
I
Back to 100%.
I'm quite surprised. I was a bit afraid that we were doing it not on a dock and it was going to be hard and we were going to be dropping things, but maybe with your help, we killed it.
Woo! You ready?
Yeah.
Merewether workout 101. We have to have a hydrovane counterweight
Yeah, perfect.
in your one of your arms. Switch, obviously. And you go like this. Whew. Sander would be so proud of me right now. And then you switch.
Just 3 reps. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
And then you're done for the whole
job
year.
done. That seems like a hard workout, baby.
I'm gonna go to lay down, like do a little tan for 2 hours now. I think whew.
You can have a couple hamburgers and some
Oh, yes.
chocolate.
So are you willing to cook that for me?
Maybe not.